County Church in Brooklyn. 89 miles away. It's called Fish Box. I got it on, I have it on shore fishing, but where I can
They did.
show you it's 848 spots.
Go out.
Yeah, visitor's license. It's only $3. It's only $3. It's not too late. 307 up.
Oh, that's what. Oh shit! That's what they were trying to tell me. Valerie told her son that the guy, her boyfriend, hit her. Instead of him going there and asking questions, he just went in there and punched the guy. Knocked the old lady down and everything.
That's crazy. Comical County. We get to sleep in here.
What are you doing? Oh, want to fight who? Oh, I do the one to fight her?
Listen, I don't know where we're going all the way to Philadelphia, County, Pennsylvania. I thought that was like the Susquehanna. It's a clown. I don't think it's a clown. And they got him. Delaware River. Wow.
I'm going not now. You don't want to show out.
Regulations, you know what I'm saying?
It's a not daughter. It's a not daughter and Val's daughter got into it. It's a not daughter and Val's daughter got into it. Say Tyra went over there and asked him and said, "What's going on?" And said, not daughter said, "Oh, you in it too?" Come on. She said, I'm talking about all of y'all. Yeah, so she, that family is something else.
Sussex County. Delaware. Yeah, Sussex County. Right. And they use the minnows weird because
So the
bag
what
limit
was that?
minimum size 16.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Four per person. Per
Where the
kid.
Browns be having this stuff at. Like with Brown and
That's
stuff.
the
Yeah.
sunflower.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Bag limit 6, minimum size 12 inches.
I don't know him. I probably know him by face. Yeah. Oh, Valley?
Stick your knife in his head, kill him, and you skin him just like you do a catfish.
Yeah, but then they told me that Mikey when they told Tyler that not daughter said she could get it too. I said, why would he go over there and tell his sister that his other sister said that she can get it too? Well, instead of like trying to calm the situation down or whatever. Why do you try to boost it up? Why do you go there and tell your sister that the other sister said that she can get it too? I'm like, you know what? Checker say, Ma, I'm glad I left. She said, I'm glad I left because I've probably been in there fighting. Yeah, because the girl said that she can get it too. Yeah, Mikey came and told Tyler that not daughter said she can get it too. Tyler didn't even know what was going on.
Same type.
Chandra said she went on the road out. She said, I went on the road out. She said, Ma, I rode out for a reason. She said, God told me to go here and leave. I know I've been in there fighting. Thought I'm saying something to Tyler. I've probably been in there fighting. Yeah, Mama Chandra was saying it at the rebate. Instead of Mikey telling them, calm down, he gonna tell his sister that the other sister said she can get it too. Come on now, what kind of brother is that? They say Louis Nolan had left, right? He was still in there?
He should have stepped away. He's the oldest.
No, Mikey is the oldest. Mikey older than Louis Nolan.
But he still should have stepped up. How's she doing? She need something?
Yeah, say you say that talking about our house and everything. And she had no air. Say, I'm tired of shit, but she never going up there again. Yeah. It seems like that's the first place you will go. After her sister got hit, you know, 80-something-year-old woman. Yeah, Val's son with a swing bag and hit the woman, hit his arm. 80-something-year-old woman. She had a knot all on her head and everything.
Things like that. That's the such things like that. Skinny. You be trying to stick your ass with
What was
I had one. Actually, I had 4.
not Evie, Trish.
And I wanted to take it off, and I was grabbing from the belly.
Oh, okay.
And the first nigga was like, no, don't grab my thing, don't grab my thing. And I was trying to grab him, he was curling up, trying to hit me with the thing. Twice.